Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Powerful 500 General Knowledge 2021 for all competitive exams 17 Power 500. K161. Which city is famous for the cultivation of grapes? Ans, Nashik, Maharashtra. Ans, Maharashtra. K162. In which state is Koyna Dam located? Ans, Maharashtra. K163. In which month Sharifa crop is harvested? Ans, early November. Ans, there is a shadow on K164. Where is the giant body of glacier ice? Ans, there is a shadow on the top places of the range of the Himalaya mountains. K165. Which rock is metamorphic? Ans, marble. K166. Ans 15 K166. How many longitudes does the earth rotate in an hour? Ans 15 degrees degree longitude. K167. What is the cause of lunar eclipse? Ans, the earth comes between the sun and the moon. K168. Between which places the first railway line was started by the British government? Ans, between Mumbai to Thane. K169. Which is the highest military award of India given for courage and valor in war? Ans, Param Veer Chakra. K170. What is the reason for the existence of Pluto? Ans, Earth's rotation around the sun. Shine wrong.